Defending champions Edwin Allen continue to step up their ISA boys and girls champs preparations as they dominated the middle distance and the sprint events at the recently held JAAA's PUMA development meet at GC Foster College.
Roshana Dwyer, who will be looking to do better this time around at champs in her second year in Class 1, won both the Class 1 800 meters and 1500 meters timed finals, and she says her aim was simple.
I just come out here to do one thing, and exactly what I do, to get a good time and to qualify for champs.
Rikisha Sims and Monique Stewart also did the double in Class 2, while Cora Barnett did the honors for Class 3. Class 1 long jump champion Serena Cole won that event along with the 200 meters timed final in season best performances, but is hoping to do better in the sprint event if given another opportunity.
I think I could do much more better, but it's up to the next time. But I will do at Central Champs. Depends if I am running it, yes or no.
Cole, who is also a part of Jamaica's World Under-20 record-holding sprint relay quartet, is eyeing a second championships.
We made the Virginia team in the long jump or in the 100 meter, even 4x1 relay. I will make the team.
Her teammate Brandy Hall was also a winner in one of the 200 meters events. Meanwhile, Wolmer's girls dominated the sprint relays, winning 3 of the 4 events, finishing second in Class 1 behind Bustamante High.
It was not the fastest set of girls, basically, and like a baton changing problem that made a difference. But overall, it was a pretty good outing, I would say. I think the girls did well today, much better than they did last time.
Head coach Michael Carr says his girls will be ready for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships, but he doesn't have any unrealistic expectations.
Well, we are quietly putting ourselves things together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. So we're trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together. But we'll be around and they will know that we're at the championship.
On the boys' side, Herbert Morrison did a clean sweep of the sprint relays while Kingston College dominated the jumps. KC's Gianni Henry won the boys' 800 meters and 2,000 meters the steeplechase double in season best times. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.